Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with class 11, sixth chapter of statics, and today we are going to discuss pi diagram or circular diagram. Pi diagram is a circle divided into various segments showing the percentage value of a series. This diagram does not show absolute values. Construction of a pi diagram involves the following three steps. As a first step, absolute values of the series are converted into percent values. Second, draw a circle and note the facts that within a circle we can draw 4 angles of 90 degree each. Then comes show each values in the circle clockwise as shown in pi diagram. This indicates percentage distribution of the students, which we are going to show. Just for your convenience, I have written a question in my whiteboard showing sectors: primary, secondary, transport, finance and social, and there are percentage given in front of them. Primary 6.2, secondary 25.4, transport 27.5, finance 18.1, social 12.8. Now how we can convert them into degrees? So it is very simple. 16.2 divided by 100 into 360 degree, then we get 58.32 degree. Now in secondary sector, 25.4 divided by 100 into 360 degree, again we got 91.44 degree. Same with transport, 27.5 divided by 100 into 360, then we get 99 degree. Then comes finance. In finance, 18.1 divided by 100 into 360, we get 65.16 degree. And last is social. There is 12.8 percentage, and how we can convert them into degree? Simply divided by 100 and then multiplied by 360, then we get 46.08 degree. If we add all the percentage like 16.2, 25.4, 27.5, 18.1, 12.8, we get 100 percentage. Same is case with the shares. If we add 58.32, 91.44, 99 degree, 65.16 degree, 46.08 degree, then we got 360 degree complete. Because below given this, there is a circle in which I have drawn a straight line, and by using the protractor I have marked first 58 degree for primary sector, and then again I have put a protractor and mark 91.44 degree for secondary sector, and then again I have used my protractor and marked transport with 99 degree, and second last is finance, that is 65.16 degree, and the remaining one, if you want to check, it will be around 46.08 degree, that is of social sector. So if you want to cross check, you can see that the last which is left out will be of remaining degree, that is 46.08. So student, pi diagram is one of the finest way to show the information through diagrammatic manner. Pi diagram is also known as circular diagram, and it is one of the best way to represent the information in the most attractive manner. However, the circle called pi is to be finally divided on the basis of given actual data. Thus, the given percentage share of the first division, second division and third division are so as long. Pi diagram are drawn only when percentage distribution of the values is to be diagrammatically represented. This is one of the unique features of pi diagram. So student, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.